Hi all of you and thank you for tuning in to Style Mag TV. आज मेरे साथ है Rucha, who most of you commonly known as Rashi, the very bubbly and very vivacious in person. She's a lovely girl. Tell me all about your style tips that you've been talking about and telling me about the character being a fashionista.
My character, of course, as you all people know, is quite a fashion person. You know, she loves doing fashion, although she's of course restricted from her house. But आप जैसे जानते हैं मेरी साड़ीज़ इतनी प्यारी होती है. I wear netted sarees with beautiful borders, so they're like really pretty. Something which is very in trend nowadays. Actually, मेरे नाम पे तो sarees बिक रही है. Rashi sarees, it's how is it called? So it's really nice and it's very nice to see sarees being sold on my name, on my character's name. And yes, simple see jewelry, nice netted sarees. This is my look.
That's very nice. So are you as much into makeup as you are into fashion?
ऑफ कोर्स डेली सोप बहुएं हैं तो अगर स्क्रीन पे दिखने वाली है तो मेकअप तो थोड़ा बहुत होना ही है. सो यस, थोड़ा बहुत मेकअप होता है बट समथिंग दैट इज़ वेरी नॉर्मल मिनिमल.
तो ऑफ स्क्रीन आप कैसे हो? क्योंकि आई कुडंट हेल्प बट नोटिस कि हम थोड़ा सा देखें कि आप इरिटेट हो रहे थे उस मस्कारा आईलैश के गम की वजह से. तो उस एक आप ऑफ कैमरा कैसे हो? डू यू लाइक अप्लाइंग मेकअप कि नहीं?
आई एम एब्सोल्यूट नो मेकअप पर्सन. आई टोटली स्टिक टू ओनली माई काजल एंड माई लिप बाम्स. दैट्स व्हाट आई लव अबाउट and they have to be there, but otherwise I don't apply makeup at all off screen. और मुझे I like my skin to just let it breathe, and I like my skin just open because I have a good skin, so it better stay good.
That we can see. You have amazing skin.
Thank you.
So what about your style mantra off screen? Keeping the sarees aside, everyday के लिए आप क्या पहनते हो and what do you like?
Well, everyday के लिए of course when we are on the set we are non-stop in our sarees and we always forever dressed well and we just always decked up. But of course off screen I am a very simple, very girl next door. I like just being in my jeans, in my dresses. This is all that you'll find me in because जब भी छुट्टी होती है तब either I go out for a vacation, holiday with my family, or I party with my friends. So depending upon the situation, depending upon where I'm going, I keep my dressing style very simple. But I think you'll just see me in either wearing simple dresses, nice.
Tell us what you're wearing right now. You look so pretty.
Thank you. Well, I'm just very happy. It's nice in winter, so I like the knit material a lot. And we generally don't get to wear it because in Mumbai it's not that cold.
हमें नसीब कहाँ ऐसे कपड़े पहनने का?
बिल्कुल भी नसीब नहीं होता. But it's really nice right now. So I just thought I'll just wear this. This is Will's lifestyle. I think what I'm wearing. Just normal belt, what I've just teamed up with. I had gone to actually Mount Mary, so I bought this. So I just wore it.
Lovely.
Yeah. So this is quite cute. Actually.
Any labels, brands that you really like, Indian or Western? Designers that you think, यार ये पहनना है, ये खरीदना है?
Actually, currently my friend is in US right now, so I have been irritating the shit out of him to get me a lot of clothes from there. So because certain brands we don't get here.
Right.
Recent favorite of mine is very girly, very traditional, very me kind of a brand that is Forever 21, which is what I've liked. It's very girly, very bubbly. I like Zara, I like Mango, I sometimes, generally, I actually like wearing Prada, but then we generally don't get to wear it. We just wear it once and we just leave it. So at the most, I just have one or two of them.
और Indian में कौन? Manish Malhotra, Rohit Bal, Arjun Khanna, which one is yours? ये सबसे common वाले.
Manish Malhotra would be definitely my favorite. I would love to be his muse someday. But yes, of course, I think his clothes are Indo-Western. I like the traditional look that is being given to the traditional clothes plus the new modern avatar.
That's awesome. So coming back, हम यहाँ पे इस इवेंट के लिए है, मैरिनेटिंग फिल्म्स के सेकंड कैलेंडर लॉन्च के लिए है हम. Tell us about your calendar shoot. आप वहाँ पे भी ट्रेडिशनल अवतार में दिखने वाले हो या are we changing the look थोड़ा सा?
Well, we are doing both, and the most fascinating thing for me was that this is my first year, and I was the chosen one to go to Goa and shoot for the calendar. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you. So it was really pretty. The entire feel of Goa was really nice. So we have done both. We've done one gown look and we've done one traditional look. So you'll get to see both the sides of my personality. So that'll be like really interesting. It was super fun shooting for it.
And whose clothes are you wearing for the shoot? The gown as well as the traditional look?
Well, I was wearing the new designer who's been designing for us, Ananya Utpal. So she's been doing our clothes and she's done a really good job. And she was really helpful. You know, she used to ask, you know, what color preference you want. But all the clothes that she had already selected for me were anyways nice. So I just could go through it like this.
So let's do a quick rapid fire with you for your fans to know कि at the end of the day हमारी राशि को पसंद क्या है. So I'm going to ask you a really like bunch of questions.
Perfect, but Rashi or Rucha?
Rucha. आप डिसाइड करो.
Rucha.
अच्छा,
Yeah,
Rucha.
because people generally don't get to see what Rucha is like.
Acha, so now we're bringing Rucha out of the closet and we're asking Rucha 5 questions that we think you should know.
All right.
Favorite color,
Black.
favorite food,
Chinese.
favorite season,
Winters.
favorite Bollywood actor and actress.
Shah Rukh Khan, Amitabh Bachchan, and can't help but Madhuri Dixit and Aishwarya.
But ये तो दो हो गए.
I'm sorry, but I can't choose between them.
Okay, and of course I have to ask this. Favorite movie and that one role that you would have loved to take part and be a part of.
Trust me, people always ask me this question. So my favorite would be, I would have loved to try doing Black with Sanjay Leela Bhansali ji.
Ooh, we have a very aspiring Bollywood diva over here.
Completely.
That's
I think it would be really fun. It would be really nice, challenging role to do. It would be fun.
What inspired you? What inspired you to get into acting? What drew you towards Indian television?
Well, truthfully, my entire family, there is nobody, हमारे पूरे खानदान का, there is no one who's related to the acting field.
अच्छा.
But it was only my desire, my super dying desire to be seen on television once. So that's how I told my father, you know, अगर कोई भी चीज़ सच्चे दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने में जुट जाती है. This is something that I truly believe in, and it's actually always worked for me. So I think मेरी पढ़ाई जब तक चल रही थी, my father had told me that, you know, finish your backup plan, you know, make a strong backup plan first, finish that, and then you can, you know, try your hand here. So it just happened. I just gave an audition and I was selected. So it was quite easy actually. I really didn't have to struggle.
That's so nice. एक साइनिंग ऑफ नोट पे एक लास्ट एक मैसेज फॉर ऑल दोज फैंस एस्पायरिंग एक्टर्स पीपल हु वॉच योर शो रेगुलरली लुक अप टू यू योर कैरेक्टर एक लास्ट मैसेज
I think for people who just watch our show, so please continue watching it, keep loving us, and of course for the rest of the gang who, you know, who is aspiring to come into the industry, I would always say it and always stick to it, that dream big. Only if you dream big you can achieve big. So that's what I
Well,
believe.
that's such a lovely thought to end the entire session on. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you come back for lots more next time. See you.